All right, y'all, we're up here on the Ocoee River, below the Ocoee Dam number 1. It's December 12th, and we're gonna try to catch some fish. I'm gonna start off with a goat minnow on this pole, and I got another pole with me that I'm gonna be throwing lures around, but I'm gonna try to see what I can catch, either fake artificial lures or night crawlers. So stick around. I'll be switching this pole out between rubbers and real live. So here we go. Here's our first cast, and see how many lures we're going to end up losing today. They're not running any turbines right now. I'm hoping to get a yellow crappie or some, or yellow crappie, yellow perch or some crappie or bass would be nice, but yeah, I've got more faith in using live bait, especially night crawlers during the winter time, than I do lures. It just seems like to keep from losing lures cast after cast and not catching nothing, using live bait will generally produce something. I mean, you still get hung up, but then all you're losing is just a hook and a sinker usually. My weight off. Oh, it helps if you open the bail up. Well, I got my Cadence 4000, my ugly stick jigs too. I got this jerk bait. I think it's a jerk bait, kind of like in a yellow perch pattern. We're gonna see if we can't pull something out with it. I done fished for about 30 minutes with that goat minnow. Oh, did I get something? Yeah, I got something, but it ain't a fish. Or is it? Well, whatever it is, came loose. Oh, somebody else's line. Well, I got their whole rig. I'll put that on that rock. I got sinker, swivel, hook, line, and sinker on that one. Well, I'm not going home empty-handed anyway. All right, I gave lures a try for about an hour, a couple of different ones. Now let's try a live night crawler. And this is going to sit on the bottom, and it's going to let out smells, blood, all that good stuff. Only problem is you're going to be on the bottom and probably get hung up. But you know, fish in the wintertime, they still eat. They're just not aggressive. They're not going to come out and attack something swimming by as much as if you put something right down in front of them, let it sit there for a second, they'll come up and nibble at it. I usually don't let it sit real long. I'll sit and hold my finger on the line. You feel just the slightest little nibble, and then I'll move it a little ways, reel in some slack, sit and do do it all over again until I either get so close back to shore or I get hung or I catch a fish. It's also my way to find out if there's actually fish in there. You know, I'll fish with a lure for a little while. If I don't at least get a strike, I'll jump over to a night crawler, throw it out there, and if I start getting bites, then I know, you know, there's fish actually in that spot. I'm gonna start off with worm at this spot. Let's see if we can't coax something out of here. I'm gonna use worms again right here to start off with. And cast just on the other side of this tree. I ran into a few people that are up here fishing, or were fishing, and they've used worms and everything else. They ain't caught nothing either, so I don't know if it's caused the water down or what it is. Could be this cold front that just came through. We had those bad storms that killed a bunch of people out West Tennessee, Kentucky, all those. You're nibbling at it. Well, I got excited. I thought I was gonna catch fish. Come on. Come after it again. Come on. They'll hit one time and then they stop. Oh. Oh. I missed him. I'm putting it pretty much right on him, but he's only hitting it once, and then by the time I realize he's hitting it, he doesn't let go of it. That's the second one of them today I've caught. There we go. There we go. Finally. Heck yeah. First fish of December. Check him out. There, don't hook him. Ooh, he's cold. Yeah. Check him out. Check out those blues. It's pretty. Okay, so since I caught that one fish, usually where there's one bluegill, there's usually 5 or 6. So let's see. I've fished for going on 2-3 hours. First fish I've caught, it came off of a live nightcrawler right here in this tree. And I've lost probably about 10 hooks right here in this one spot. Yeah, my second cast out there. Oh, he's bigger. Check him out. Oh, right in my eyeball. Check him out. He's pretty too. All right. I'm gonna leave the camera rolling this time. I mean, I no longer had casted it out the second cast and he hit. And it ain't gonna happen this cast. He gave up a good fight though. Oh, pulled it right out of his mouth. It must have been right on the limb. Oh. Come on. As soon as I turn off the camera, they'll start biting. Here, let me fix the worm and the sinker. Try to make the worm as straight as possible. Oh, another good one. He might have took my worm on that one. Oh, there he is. There we go. We're catching some fish now, y'all. Check him out. Pretty. That ain't a bluegill, that's a long-eared or a yellow breast. Huh. Alrighty. See what I mean, y'all? I love using worms. It took me a while to find them. But now that I know where they're at, it's gonna be on like Donkey Kong. I gotta get me a new worm on here. Get some fresh blood out there. Alright, let's go catch us another one, y'all. Oh, I really needed this. I only went maybe one time in November. I've not put out a fishing video since October. And this is only maybe my second or third time in December that I was able to go fishing. It's the first fish I've caught in over a month, so yay. I'm just glad to be able to catch fish. I was beginning to doubt my abilities. Of course, I'm not the only one. I've talked to a lot of other fishermen, YouTubers around here, and they're all seem to be having trouble locating them or getting them to bite or all that good stuff. Shoot, the 3rd of December, or the 2nd of December, me and my buddy took the kayaks out up on the lake. We was out 7 hours. Never got a nibble. He never saw a minnow or a shad or anything swimming around. But it was a good day. We got out of the house. We gave it a shot. It's colder than crap right now. I can't feel my hands, especially after touching them fish. I could have sat here and fished all day long with a lure and probably would never even got a bite. All it took was some time to get to this spot and find out exactly where they were at over here. I'm getting bites right now. They're short stroking it. There we go. I was waiting on him. he's got a pretty yellow belly. All right, stop, 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 stop. Check him out. Let me get a picture. Got to fix my worm. He tried to take it off the hook for me. Alrighty. Let's catch us another one. Caught, I think, one bluegill or two bluegill. The rest have been long ears and yellow bellies. Or red breast, or whatever they're called. I call them fishes. That's what I call them. Oh, and we got a bluegill. Nope. Yeah, that's a bluegill. Pretty. You're not gonna get a picture. Like I was saying, folks, you find out where you're getting a bite at. That's where you need to keep fishing, because there's gonna be a school of them. It's just fun coming out here and catching small fish like this. I mean, I'd like to be catching big catfish, but being legally blind, I have to depend on the ride. It's a 45-minute ride just to get out there. You know, just coming doing something like this, it's quiet, it's peaceful. It'd be a lot better if it wasn't so freaking cold, but hey, I'm enjoying it. I might have caught them all already. They might only been a small school there. Something must have jumped down there and got waves coming up here. Whew, boy, my hands are freezing. They're a little bit further out than where I was thinking they would be. Did I get one? Caught a leaf. Caught a leaf, caught a leaf. Hitting you back up there. See if we can cast this out there without getting it on that limb again. Now we're up there. Oh, darn it. I know using worms is old school, but hey, it works. I want to try to do something different and it works. Said I must have caught all of that school, because I ain't even getting a nibble now. Well, folks, I reckon that wraps up another episode of Crazy Cat Fishing. It's been a long time coming. A lot of videos made with nothing being caught in them. And it's getting dark. I'm still fishing, but I don't think the camera will pick up anything, so I figured I'd go ahead and shut it off right here. Plus, it's about time for my wife to come get me. But thank you very much for watching. Hey, if you like this, please like, subscribe, and share, comment, all that good stuff, you know. In my last video was about the trolling motor I got for my kayak. I've had a few people ask me about when I'm going to put it on the kayak. Look, I'm legally blind. I draw a check once a month. Most of my money goes to pay bills, electric bill, rent, all that stuff, and I don't hardly have much money left over. But as soon as I get a battery and everything, I'll make a video about putting it on there and how well it works and all that good stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate it very much. And go fishing, make memories, y'all. See you on the next one.